Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about recent changes to the H-1B visa in the United States. What are the new rules under President Trump, why they were introduced, and how these changes might affect workers, companies, and countries around the world. 1. What is the H-1B visa? The H-1B visa is a U.S. work visa for skilled workers, people with special skills, often in tech, engineering, science, math. It allows companies in the U.S. to hire foreign nationals when they can't find enough qualified American workers. It is temporary, usually valid for 3 years, renewable once, etc. 2. What Trump changed were the new rules. Here are the key changes Trump made recently. $100,000 fee for new applicants. Beginning September 21st, 2025, employers who want to bring a worker from outside the U.S. on a new H-1B visa must pay an extra fee of $100,000. Who is affected, who is not? This fee applies only to new H-1B visa applications filed after September 21st, 2025, for people who are outside the U.S. It does not apply to people who already hold H-1B visas or whose petitions were approved before that date. It does not apply when someone is already in the U.S. and is renewing, changing employer, or transferring status. Duration time period. The rule is supposed to last for 1 year unless extended or changed. Purpose reason. The Trump administration says this is to prevent abuse of the program, protect U.S. workers, and stop companies from using cheaper foreign labor instead of hiring domestic workers. Also to raise wage levels so that H-1B visa holders are paid more fairly. 3. Effects and reactions. What is happening now? Confusion and clarification. There was confusion at first about whether the fee was annual and whether it applied to people already abroad with H-1B visas. The White House clarified. It is not annual, and it does not apply to current holders or renewals. Impact on workers. For people looking for H-1B visas from outside the U.S., this may become much harder unless their employer is willing to pay the extra cost. Some workers rushed to re-enter the U.S. before the new rule took effect, worried they might get stuck or have to pay the fee. Effect on companies. Companies hiring many H-1B workers might face very large extra costs, especially technology firms, outsourcing firms, companies that rely heavily on foreign skilled labor. This may change hiring decisions. Some companies might hire fewer foreign workers, or prefer to hire workers already in the U.S., or rethink whether to sponsor H-1B visas. 4. Which countries are most affected? India is one of the biggest affected countries. Many H-1B visa holders come from India. Other countries with many tech workers who use H-1B visas, like China, Pakistan, etc., will also be affected, though the scale depends on how many people are applying from abroad. 5. Broader consequences implications. For workers' families, the new fee could disrupt families, extra financial burden, or delays. Talent flow and innovation. U.S. companies may find it harder to attract foreign talent. Some skilled workers might decide to go to other countries with more welcoming visas. Economic impact in origin countries. Some of the skilled workers who would have gone to the U.S. might stay in their home country. That could be good or bad. Legal and political pushback. There may be lawsuits or challenges. Also public debate about fairness, discrimination, etc. 6. What this means for you. If you have an H-1B already or your petition was filed before September 21st, 2025, you are likely safe from the new fee. If you are outside the U.S. and want to apply, check whether your employer is prepared to pay this fee. Keep track of which rules apply to your situation. Are you a new applicant? Are you already in the U.S.? Were your documents filed before the effective date? Watch for possible exemptions. In some cases, national interest may allow skipping the fee.